Welcome back to the Crypto Teacher. And basically, I'm going to go over Bitcoin again. Right now, Bitcoin did get a pump, like I stated. It's from the CME, and of course, they pump it through Tether. If you actually look at Tether, you'll see every time Tether goes down, Bitcoin and the alts follow and go up. So this is going to be a quick video. I'm just touching bases, so therefore everybody understands the system. If you understand the system, then basically you'll be able to make money in swing trading. We're not in the bull market yet. We haven't even started yet. We're going to get pumps. I wouldn't even call it a pump and dump. I just say we're going to gradually go up now. I wouldn't call, before when we went up to 9,000, went down to 80, so I wouldn't call it a pump and dump. A $1,000 range, I wouldn't call that a dump. But right now, we're going to be gradually moving up. But of course, we're going to go down. But it's not going to be no, $2,000 and $3,000 dump from the previous high. So this is a natural process for the Fed. If the Fed is pumping the stock market, as we know they're doing, eventually they have to back off and put that liquidity somewhere else. And that somewhere else is going to be cryptos. We know that the blockchain cryptocurrency is ready to be used. So that's the reason why you have Polynex and with Tron and Binance, they're all loading up on Tether and USDC, because that's nothing but the dollar. Even though we may come out with another type of stable back dollar, but right now those two are considered the dollars. So that's where we get the pump from. So don't make this hard. You can clearly see when BAC or CME, few days, like I said, it's either a few days before or a few days after, you'll get a pump. And back in 2018, we saw them dump it. So, but it all came through that same system. So it's not like we can't see it. So you just have to basically take your time, go on, CME and BAC, and then look at the dates, and you can map, it matches right up identical. And then also when Bitcoin pumps, you clearly see Tether take a dive, because that's where the money is going. The same way when stocks, Fed pumps 90 billion, stocks go up to 29,000. Right now we're at 29,000. So their spreadsheet is at like 4.2 or 4.3 trillion, and we can clearly see it in the S&P and the Dow. So it all matches up. The money has to go somewhere. So just like I said, this is just a quick video. I just want to touch bases back with that. So therefore, just like I said, my channel is not about hype. It's about fundamentals. And if you're watching the fundamentals, if you're watching where the money is going, stop worrying about who's saying what and follow the money. When you follow the money, it doesn't matter what anybody says, because the money is going to lead you to the money. Where therefore, it's like I said, you may not get to be a billionaire. You may not even be able to get a millionaire. But at least you get the crumbs, because you were in the right place at the right time. And crypto right now is at the right place at the right time. So if you're in it, we're going to be going up, because the Fed has no choice. They have to decrease this balance sheet. because rates are going to get too low. That means pensions are already bankrupt. But let me tell you, if those rates go down too low, and the Fed's funds rate still stays the same. So if it gets down too low and these pensions can't pay their fees, I'm not even going to go into that, but I know for a fact they wouldn't let that happen. Not right now anyway. But they want to make a smooth transition for the masses. The masses really don't even know what crypto is and really don't care, as long as they can go out and consume and spend money. But if you go on, especially if you've been in it since, I would say 2017. As I said, I started late 2011 and 12 into crypto. But as long as you've been in it since 2017, you've witnessed the transition to 2020 and the fast transition, especially with the wallets like Coinbase and Binance. It's not technical anymore. They've made it seamless. So that's how the Fed wants to do. They want to make it seamless. So it's going to be easier to bring in the regular consumer that doesn't want to think. They just want to take and spend. Once that happens, because they're going to make it so seamless that they're not even going to even understand that they're using crypto. They'll know the names, but they're not even going to really care or even have an understanding. So we're at that point. A few more months. Just like I said, starting in October, we will be at 20,000. So we're going to take a slow increase, and then once it hits, you're talking about trillions of dollars. You're talking about hedge funds. You're talking about derivatives coming onto the blockchain. It's going to be amazing. It definitely is. So you're in it at the right time. You do have to have patience. But I just wanted to go over the Bitcoin little pump there, because we're going to have pullbacks. I don't want to call them dumps, because they're not. They're just natural ups and downs. Same way if you have the stock market, you have natural ups and downs, but we're moving up in the right direction. But that's all I have, guys. Please subscribe to the Cryptoteacher. Get the book Cryptoteacher on Amazon.com, and then also I have the book on BTCteacher.com. I have the links below for Coinbase, Binance, Bitrue, and you can get your stocks on Robinhood. Just like I said, you have, of course, chip stocks that are up, but just about everything is going to have a chip in it. So you want to get you a little piece of that. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and y'all have a great day.